What we have down here is there's 2 bolts down here, one on each side, and then there's the centerpiece. You know, people will sit on the toilet, they'll lean up against it, and it'll rock back and forth. And just that continuous rocking back and forth, it can actually loosen up these bolts, or it can put some stress on those rubber washers, loosening them up. A lot of times, all you need to do is just use a screwdriver and tighten those. A box open end or deep socket would work best. Below and hold that pliers. Put that screwdriver in, and now I'm going to try to tighten this. I got almost a full turn off of that. That hopefully will be it. That was extremely loose. I'm filling the tank, dry everything off. Come back in about a half hour and check. And I'm going to check on both sides and underneath, and it feels dry. I used a pliers and a screwdriver. I tightened down the bolt. I didn't have to buy a new toilet. It cost me nothing. It took 5 minutes of work and then about 30 minutes to an hour of wait time. And that's it. This cost me nothing. You may need to get a new washer kit, but this is the first, cheapest, and easiest way to going about stopping that leak. Hopefully this helps. Please like and subscribe.